Hi there guys, back in the shop after I don't know how long. It seems like weeks. Crazy low temperatures, and it's just too expensive to heat the place for maybe an hour's work or less, plus the old standing problem. But anyway, I pushed myself to get out here today because it was a fractionally less cold. Just had to make a quick spacer. That's all it is. Couldn't find anything much less exciting. But what I did try was a different approach to dealing with the bore. You'll see that worked out reasonably well actually. And I think I could apply that to larger spaces. If the diameter of the cutter wasn't spot on for what was required, then it would at least get much closer very quickly to what was needed, and then a very short spell with a boring bar. Anyway, that's all it is. So, brief appearance, and then next time, I don't know when. In the meantime, all the best guys. Happy holidays for everybody, and all the best for the new year when it comes. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Well, this is just a quickie really. I've made a start and I thought, well, why don't I put it on video just out of interest if it's going to work. I guess it's sort of proof of concept, quick fix. Guy wants a spacer, 3/4 ID. I've got this piece of 1 3/8 OD, which is adequate. It'll do the job. So the main thing is to save. Instead of drilling, I'm going to use an annular cutter, running it on back gear and seeing how it works out, and then part off and we'll be done. See if it works. Let's see if this is deep enough yet. I think we may have to go a little bit more. I got virtually far enough. We're looking for just under 1/4 on the part off, so I'll just take a little extra cut. I think that should probably do. Just clear up the mess. I suppose the idea of this really is not, with drilling you've got to take all the material out. Here we're just taking some out, and we should be finishing up here with about 3/16 there, which is right. So we're going to part that off. I'll put a bit of chamfer on there as well. I've started a cut. I think I need a new insert in this parting tool. Well, that was a bit more tedious than expected, because I think pretty sure this parting tool needs a new insert, but anyway, you get the general idea. So the cutter went in, I suppose, 20-25 thou more than needed. Funny thing is, I started with another parting tool. You can see the remnants of the cut there, and even that was running bad. Let's dig the piece out and check it. As I think I said, this is a real quickie job, so I don't have to stand too long, but there's a piece of 3/4 round bar. It feels pretty good. Might be a little oversized, but it's not important. Did I say it's for a drive shaft? And the OD not too critical. That's 1 3/8, and the thickness there, I just checked on my paperwork. It was 225, and I think it's come out at 220, which is not a problem because he's got some shim stock if he needs to take up. Yeah, so this was trying to save any extra machining operations, really, just to get it done fairly quick. So there it is. Very exciting, isn't it?